In today's Tiny Tidy, I am trading in my bathing suits for some warmer attire. I am cleaning my furniture to make way for some Christmas decor, and I am adding a few Christmas decor touches to my bedroom, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today is Tuesday, so that means it's time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. In today's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, I am doing a little cleaning and a little tiny decorating. As always, I would love to thank Sunday Dawn for putting this collaboration together. I'm going to link her channel along with the playlist of all the other tiny tidiers, and I hope that you will watch them and be inspired. And let's get busy cleaning and decorating. So today I'm starting my Tiny Tidy by finally putting my swimsuits away. I love warm weather so much, and I procrastinate every year about putting my bathing suits away because I love when it's warm and I can use my bathing suits. I recognize and realize that I have a ton of swimsuits, and probably whenever I get them out in the spring, I will go through them. I do have a pool, so I do use a lot of them, but I'm folding them and putting them back up just so that I have them in the correct order so that I can store them and they will be easier to get out next year.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
I did find a couple that I wanted to go ahead and get rid of before the spring, so I did manage to make a little dent in my big collection.
Your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time.
If you are new to my channel, I just would like to take a minute to introduce myself. My name is Jen. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior, and I would love to have you as part of my growing YouTube family.
Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life.
So now I'm moving on to clean my furniture off, and I'm just using a glass cleaner, and I'm cleaning my furniture and my mirrors. And to me, this is a tiny tidy because I do this at least once a week, so it is nice and simple for me to do and does not take long at all. And I want to do this so that it's very clean so that I can put out a few Christmas decorations.
Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh,
to add just a few touches of Christmas to my bedroom. I do not like to go overboard, but I do like to add a few things. I know that some people do not like to decorate in their bedrooms at all. I know that some people love to decorate in their bedrooms, and my philosophy is to each his own, and whatever makes you happy, you do you, and I'll do me, and I just like to add a few little touches. I have this little Christmas tree that I bring out every year, and I tried really hard to make it look good this year. I even tried to add some little sprigs down in it to kind of liven it up, but I think honestly it's just seen better days. I've had it for several years, so actually I got on Amazon last night and I ordered a replacement tree, so that should be in later this week. I love to add a touch of red to every room, especially during Christmas, and I did that in my bedroom by adding this simple little berry wreath and attaching it with a red ribbon. Very simple. I can still see in the mirror, I can still use it, but it just adds that pop of red and pop of color. And these are just the little sprigs that I tried adding down into this tree just to kind of make it look a little better, but again, I was not in love with it, so I do have a new tree coming. And then I put some ornaments down in this silver bowl, and I have some little twinkling lights in there, and once I get the batteries working for that, it's going to light up and it's going to be so cute. And I do have some greenery that I add, and you will see me playing around with the greenery, and I end up completely changing it, and I'm going to add some lights, and it's going to look so cute. I will make sure in December to make a video and show most of my Christmas decorations, so then you guys will be able to see the lights that I've added and see how the batteries have changed. Every time I edit this, when I'm cleaning in this particular room, I notice that this clock is broken and I need to fix it because it was a wedding gift, and I do actually love this clock. I never use it, so like I personally never notice that it's broken until I'm filming or editing, and then I'm like, oh my goodness, this clock is broken and I need to fix it. So I added that to my to-do list. This just was like taking up just too much, so that's why I ended up just doing something completely and totally different. Normally it works this way every year. I'm not sure what was going on this year, but you know, I like to just kind of do things and get them to a way that I like them, and sometimes that just takes time and a little patience.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you, our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I have some batteries that I need to replace so that this can light up. I can light up my Christmas tree. And I'm also thinking about putting a little Christmas tree in the corner of the room. But other than that, I am decorated. And that was a great tiny, tidy cleanup and decorate. Remember to check out Sunday Dawn's channel as well as the playlist. And take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.